Hi guys, this is Akelza. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back again with another video. In today's video, I'm going to braid myself. The style that I'm going to do today is a simple style because only 4 lines at the front, and then at the back I'm not going to do anything. I'm not going to plait anything. I'm just going to put my Kaylee happy. So you see what I will do now. So as you can see here, I'm trying to show you how I did my ponytail, the Kaylee one. So just stay tuned guys. To all those who are new, if it is your first time, you're just seeing this video, you're just seeing this lady for the very first time, I welcome you to the family. Feel free. I hope you stay, I hope you enjoy. Please don't forget to like, to comment, and to share. So yeah guys, and all those my returning subscribers, my day one guys, thank you so much. I really appreciate for showing your girls some love. It means a lot to me. Please guys, don't forget to like, just to press the like button. If you don't want to press the like button, please just leave a heart for me. If you watch this video till the end, just leave a heart for me. To really mean a lot to me. So as you can see here, I'm trying to create my ponytail. As I said in the beginning, that I'm not going to plait at the back. So that's it, I'm done here. So just stay tuned and see what I'm going to do with this one. So what I can say with this hairstyle, what I'm about to do now, it's a simple hairstyle guys, very simple. It only took me, let's just say 30 minutes. Yeah, let's just say 30 minutes. It's very easy and fast to do because I was in a hurry. I did not have time to do my hair. That's why I'm saying I didn't plait the back. And please don't mind my comb. Yo guys, I was very angry. I was not happy using this big comb. I forgot my bag of comb at the salon, and I wanted to do this video for you guys. I was like, let me just use what I have. And this is the only comb that I was having in the house. All my combs as a salon that work at the salon. But anyway, it did the job, the comb. Anyway, I did what I wanted to do. So as you can see, I was trying to section my hair. Oh, it's not easy guys, but I was trying my best. It's not easy. So I was sectioning my hair. It's not easy, but you just take your time. If you are going to try this hairstyle on yourself, or if you are going to do this hairstyle, or you are going to do someone else, at least if you are doing someone else, it's easy. But if you are doing your own hair, it's not easy. Just take your time. When you're sectioning your hair, just take your time. Yes, and then I tied up my back because that one I'm not going to plait it. I'm going to put that Kaylee happies that I was fixing when I'm starting the video. And then here I sectioned my hair into half. Guess what guys, what I decided to do here, I decided to do a little small designing, a little style at the front. My mind was like, girl, let me just do the straight one, maybe 2 lines. I was like, no, let me try to do something nice. And then I was like, let me just try this one out. As you can see here, I was trying to do something nice, and guess what, I was happy at the end. It came out nicely at the end. You see, I was trying to shape it here so that it don't look like a simple straight line, just to give it a small design. So applying my gel. This gel, I don't like it. I don't like this gel, but anyway, I'm just waiting for it to finish, then I buy another one. And then I'm busy sectioning my hair. Then before I forget, these 2 lines, I did not add any extension, I did not add any hairpiece. I only used my hair. These 2 lines, I only used my hair. I did not use or add any hairpiece. I only added the hairpiece at the end. You see, just stay tuned and see what I'm about to do. And the funny thing was, guess what guys, the funny thing is, when I'm doing my hair, the pain is like I make it too tight. I don't know why. Every time I plait my hair, the hairstyle is too tight. My lines are too tight, like it's too tight. I don't know, maybe it's because I'm trying to grip my hair nicely since I'm doing my hair. but anyway, I'm used to it. So as you can see, I only did a freehand. It's just a simple cone roll with that hairpiece. And then after that, I'm going to section my hair into half, and then from there I'm going to plait it, not straight, but I'll try to plait it upwards so that I'll join those two lines together. I don't want to talk too much, guys, so that you just watch and see and enjoy my video. So let me just zip it. Enjoy the video, guys. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, guys. Just subscribe, just support your girl. I'll be happy. So yeah, let's get to the video. I hope you enjoy it. And then here I just joined my two lines together, and then I'm going to do the same thing this side, exactly the same thing. I'm going to repeat it again this side, so just stay tuned. Now I'm doing my back. I'm trying to comb it nicely. Then I applied my small gel, only small. I didn't want to put a lot, just small. So just stay tuned and see what I'm about to do. my favorite silicone. I used it to effect my curls. Don't forget guys, I used the second hand hairpiece. This hairpiece I used it on the previous video. Remember on the previous video I did braid and braid myself, that half down hairstyle. That's the same hairpiece, so I just repeated the same hairpiece. It's not new. I just took that hairpiece and then I just applied my silicone and then my curl activator, and then I applied my conditioner and water. So voila. I got what I wanted. It's not a new hairpiece, but anyway, it's looking good. It's looking nice, guys. It's looking good. It's looking nice. So yeah, you can use any type of hairpiece you have, any curl that you love, any curls that you prefer. Ne? So, and then I'm taking these two. I'm not putting them straight. I have to make them cross each other like this. Yeah. From the left, this one from the left, it must go to the right. The one from the right must go to the left, so that I will have what I wanted. So stay tuned. My final look, guys, my final look. How do I look, guys? Please rate for me in the comment section. If you can't leave a comment, just leave a girl a heart. I would really appreciate. Please say something, guys. Say something. Please don't forget to like, to subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section, please, guys. I can't believe I managed to do this hairstyle. Anyway, I'm happy because it didn't take much of my time. It was quick to do. It's very easy. Please don't hesitate to try it on yourself. Just give it a try, guys. It's very easy. Try it on yourself, or you can plait someone. It's very easy to do, guys. Only 4 lines. Only 4 lines. It don't even take much of your time. So guys, thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate. Please don't forget to leave your girl a comment in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. Just to press the subscription button, I would really appreciate. And don't forget to comment, or even to press the like button. It really means a lot to me, guys. So yeah, I did deliver, because I'm always delivering. I'm always there for you, guys. It's not easy, but anything for you. See how gorgeous, see how beautiful. Oh guys, thank you so much. I'll see you again on my next video. Love you. Bye.